Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what is a stock, how they are traded, and what affects a stock on a day-to-day basis. In the most simple terms, a stock is simply a share of ownership within a company. Stocks are issued by companies in order to raise money in order to expand. So this money might go to building more office or factories, upgrading certain equipment, and also to hire employees. Once you own stock of a company, you claim a part of their earnings and losses. This means that if the company does well, your stock will do well, and if the company does poorly, your stock will most likely do poorly. Another name for stocks could be equities and securities. So here's a few publicly traded companies. We have Apple, General Electric, McDonald's, and Nike. These are all just a few examples of companies that you can have stock in. So where exactly do you buy and sell stocks? You are able to do all of this within an exchange. So some examples could be the New York Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and the London Stock Exchange. Thanks to technology, we are able to participate in this exchange from the comfort of our own home by signing up with an online brokerage firm. So now let's go ahead and do an example. Let's say that you want to invest in company ABC. Their stock price is currently $10, which is how much every share costs. They have a total of 100 outstanding shares. Which is basically all the shares that are outstanding in total. And lastly, we have its market capitalization, which is a total of $1,000. This is basically the total value of the company, which is calculated by multiplying the stock price by the total number of outstanding shares. So now let's go ahead and say that you purchased 5 total shares of company ABC. You invested a total of $50. The current stock price is currently $10, and let's say that this stock price doubles after a year. This means that these 5 stocks are currently worth $50, and then that within the next year these 5 stocks will be worth $100. So by investing initially $50, now you have doubled it and you have made a $50 profit. So what exactly affects stock prices? While there are multiple factors, some of the main ones can include economics, politics, and people like us, consumers. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, as I will be continuing to make these type of videos concerning finance, business, and entrepreneurship. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.